guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is the day that I have to do laundry organization. I have been dreading this day for many months. There are definitely a couple of rooms in this house that require attention, that I'm kind of throwing stuff in to get it out of the way, and then I close the door behind me. You know how that goes. That's the basement and the laundry room. So I actually have big plans to paint and put up wooden shelving and get a front load washer and dryer and do all these things with the laundry room. We have this big project that Chris and I started working on, and then we put it on hold where we're getting all new appliances. We were going to redo the floors and get doors and do all these things, but we've kind of stepped back and we're deciding what is really important, what we should do first and what we can do later. So you know how that goes, right? Like renovations and upgrades and things like that. In the meantime, since I'm not painting the laundry room right now and I'm not putting up shelving, I got some organization from Target. I'm going to show you guys what my laundry room looks like. Let's just go take a look right now because dun dun dun. This is awful. These are the containers that I got from Target. I wanted to keep a nice white theme. And then I have this longer one right here. So hopefully these fit because Kina didn't measure the shelves before I bought the bins. And you know how the bin can hang off the shelf? I don't like that, but whatever. We're not gonna be too picky. The idea here is to get everything nice and neat and organized. These are the paint samples that I picked up. What do you guys think? They're different levels of green, different colors, shades. This one is probably the one I'm leaning towards the most. This is just called Sage. So yeah, we're gonna do painting and all of that. That's gonna be in the next vlog because I have a feeling this laundry room is gonna take some time. Feeling pretty good. We got all this stuff out. I had no idea of all of this. You know when it just doesn't seem like that much? I think I like this better, putting the shelves one on opposite ends and then having my little shelf in the center there. I think I'm gonna put my toilet paper in the center or maybe the cleaning supplies, I'm not sure yet. Before I go downstairs and grab those bins, I need to change. Bending over in a bodysuit constantly, it's a thong bodysuit too. Not very comfortable, so let me get comfy and we'll see if those bins fit. Here we go. So there's just a little bit of space right down here, but my bigger concern is I wanted to put these side by side and that's not gonna work. And now it's like hanging off even more. Ugh. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to find anything thin enough. Unless I order online and I just don't have the time for that. So this is gonna do. So you can see it's hanging off just a little, not too bad. And I don't mind that they are gonna be angled this way because when you need something out of the bin, you can just pull it like that. All right, guys. guys, this has taken me probably 2 hours to do. I wanted to put what we use first, or what we use the most, up top. So I have extra soap and all of our sunscreens, toothpaste and all of that. And then I have medicines here, cleaning supplies, and then all of my nail stuff and toiletry items. Down here is more of my stuff that I can't fit underneath the cabinet in my bathroom. So I just kind of have extra stock in here. Toilet paper at the bottom, fabric softener and cleaning supplies, and then the linens all up top. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is what we got done. It just feels airy, and that's the whole idea. It's already 5:35 and I need to go ahead and get dinner started. Chris is on his way home. I'm getting ready to go out. I am so upset with myself because I cut my skirt on accident. I was cutting the little tag off from the inside. Have you ever done this? And I cut it too close and I cut the actual fabric, so now I have a hole right there. But if I pinch it and like scrunch it, you can't really tell. I really don't feel like changing, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to wear it a little scrunched and do some shopping. I need some shop therapy. I ordered some wonderful pieces, beautiful pieces from Mango and Express and a couple of other places, but that's going to be for my next video, which is going to be my summer wardrobe and how I piece my items together for a chic but minimalist look. You guys know my style. I just thought I would put it together for you, show you where I get my things, how much they are, and how I pair them and why. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. Let's do some shopping. very hungry. I worked up an appetite and have some leftover broccoli and chicken from last night's dinner. And then I found some frozen Alfredo in the freezer. So I'm heating that up. It looks so good. And now I'm gonna sit and watch my little old-fashioned movie called Marnie from Netflix that I've never seen.
What were the references, sir? Well, matter of fact, yes, she had references.
I have this dark spot on my lens. You see it's like right, where is it, right here? Ugh, I've seen it in the past couple of my vlogs and it's driving me nuts. I don't know if I scratched my lens or what's going on. I've cleaned it several times. There's just like this dark spot. I don't know anything about cameras. I don't know how to get rid of it. If you do, please let me know in the comments. I would so appreciate it. I'm sure you would appreciate me getting it off. Oh, that's so annoying. It is quite a bit later and my dogs have had it being in this house. I need to go take them around. Thank you for hanging out and watching me go through that dreadful laundry room. I'm so glad that I got that done. It's so nice to go in there and just breathe. It's so airy and roomy and nice. So glad I got that done. Have a wonderful rest of your day and until next time, bye for now.
Hello